Hey there, today we're going to look at how to download COD Warzone on PC, so let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official callofduty.com website. Sign into your account. Once logged in, click on Games, then select Call of Duty Warzone. The page will load, scroll down and select Windows. You'll be redirected to xbox.com. There, click on Get It for Free, and then tap on Install. It will ask you to open the Xbox app, confirm, and open it. Inside the Xbox app, scroll down and select Install. The app will load briefly, then prompt you to choose the components you want to install. Make your selections and click Install. It will also display how much storage space is required. The download time depends on your internet speed, as Warzone is a large game. Once the download and installation are complete, you can launch the game directly from the Xbox app on your PC. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.